Alright, so we got this stick welded over here, but I had a bigger heat sink because of that bar coming down from the exhaust hanger bracket, and I had it right around 85 amps. I mean, I could change my rod, but we're going to do some flux core over here. No gas. And then I'll show you the little setup on a rig. And it's something anybody can obtain. You don't have to wait to get it. Heck, you might even have somebody nearby that's already got one for you. Okay, grounded. That's good. Let's see what we can do about this whip. You get a slight kink in here, and they don't want to feed worth the darn. Alright, so we scooted back the machine so that way we got more room in the whip, which is what your liner and everything is. Let's see if it'll feed any better now. Yep. So I gotta turn down that wire speed a little bit for the amperage we got. Just turn the machine up to max. Alright. Made an adjustment on the machine. Adjusted the whip. See if we can get it to go a little bit better this time. Still feeling a bit of a poking. I need to turn that wire speed down some. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear the machine in the background. Sounds like a jabbing, like a tink, 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 tink. So we're going to back down that wire speed and then we'll keep on. So if you don't know how to listen to your equipment, you might not know what to adjust on it. Oh, and please make sure you don't have no fuel leaks or brake leaks or things that's going to catch on fire when you're doing hot work. That's what I'm doing. I'm bumping the camera with the phone. Not used to this here. Yeah. All right. So now I took the stick welder and I poked a hole here. That way y'all got something to see. What I do is I'll fill it in with this wire feed. I don't know if that's going to show up on camera that good or not. Can you see that? That big hole right there. All right. Have to. let it cool off. I can see a little bit under here where it was getting a bit warm, so it's going to have some pinholes on this side. That's a basic plug weld in overhead position on some thinner exhaust pipe. And that's being lazy right there. Trim your wire. There you go, it's trimmed. Should clean it too. And I should clean that surface, but I'm not going to. And that's when you're not getting a good clean surface. Not gonna strike an arc. See if we can get one. What am I doing? I got the ground off. Ha ha. All right. Guess the more I use the camera, the better off I'll get at it. I think there might be a pinhole hiding on this other side I can't see. Maybe right in here. From where I'm sitting, there's a little one right there. So you should have done a little circle, puddle it big, and then pull it out to the side. But I didn't do that. All right. And that is with Mr. China. I started out with a blue one. I think the year was 2005. I got some old pictures, might be able to find it. And one of the tricks, this is the liner right here. The electrical tape's coming undone. I put heater hose on it. Makes it a little bit stiffer. Because if you bend one of these, when you get it like that, it's not going to want to push that wire through that liner. Then these liners are like next to nothing. So I take the heater hose, and the heater hose is a lot more forgiving. But as soon as I turn it, it's just these liners. So you want to keep that as straight as possible. You see I'm starting to get a little bit of a kink up here where I don't have it. So I can just be mindful of it. Because if the drive wheel on there with one drive motor, it's not the greatest. But if you have this, where it's not getting a kink and it's just more gradual, it'll feed. I could have finessed that a little bit. I could have dropped it down to like 2.5 instead of 3. But, I mean, yeah, it is what it is. It's an AC welding machine instead of DC. And there's conversion kits. I haven't messed with that, but this is normally what I'll do. Do something to... And that was... I think it's been almost 4 months since I turned it on. It still works, so I use it.